GP kart, having a ball. As you can see, ride the carts and it's all good. Just want to show you guys a little bit of what the cart has to bring. This is currently in Kenya, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It's something that I think most people in the States will not know exists. So, you know, enjoying the time here, making the best of it, and loving every moment. So just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of something that you may not know exists in Nairobi. Actually, there's a few of them, a few racetracks in Nairobi. So hopefully you get an understanding of what's out here. And I'm going to put the link in the description box, and you guys can get an idea of really the fun stuff that you can really do and have fun with in Nairobi City. So just wanted to show a little bit about the racing, and if that's something that interests you or something that you want to do, you know, hit up the description box and go there yourself. I definitely want people in the diaspora to come here and experience stuff like this. You know, don't think that you know, Nairobi is just one-dimensional. It has so much to offer, so much fun. So consider Africa. Peace.